Most of the damage that we've had in the Illawarra, it's related to that storm event, a period of rain that came in 1 hour or 2 hours that hit intensely, and it's poured over the top of the roads and pretty much scoured out loss of support, loss of tow, all those sort of things around, particularly culverts and things, so the public really need to be careful. We've attended 35 emergencies in the Illawarra so far, and this is one we've come to yesterday. We couldn't even assess this damage here until it had been cleaned out. Our gangs on council have taken 130 tonnes of material out of here, including, I saw 2 fully grown trees and about 5 stumps, and the whole place was blocked. The SES was here early, I understand, in the week, and had put barriers around and kept people away from the road when they saw that there was a hole next to the back of the channel wall. We're putting some form boards in front of that and some waste blocks to support the form board. We're filling with a fibrecrete underneath to support the wall, and then we're going to lift that once, let it set, and then come in again with a filling concrete and another fill concrete, so 3 pours. As soon as they go off, as fast as we can get it done, we'll get that road restored. We've been monitoring the cracking in the road, and there's been further cracking even since yesterday, and that'll require another assessment. But at the moment, we're just making it safe and protecting our assets and making and filling the hole in so it's safe for the public as well. The community has been so good. Everybody's been pretty much on board. We've had to close roads. People can see the damage, that's the thing. It's really obvious. People are only too happy to help, and they really appreciate seeing council on the ground, at least somebody to talk to.